Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of making money from the comfort of your own home? Well, you're in the right place. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities, and today we're diving into some of the most effective ways to start earning online. Whether you're a creative genius, a numbers whiz, or just have some spare time, there's a method out there for you. We'll explore everything from freelance gigs and affiliate marketing to starting your very own online business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building sustainable income streams, ready to unlock your financial freedom. Let's get started. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you do not miss our next video where we'll break down the first strategy step by step. Thanks for watching.